Go back to the gate. Right now!
Like dog or monkey or bingo where you dey command. Go back to the gate. I mean they try that rubbish. I don't think I say they don't train you well. You two dey mannerless. Hey, Reverend sister, no say that you get church mind. Abi you want show me otherwise? How far I get into one cook? I'm hungry.
I don't understand.
You don't understand. Reverend sister, your mates they do charity for church. Now then they go, they look for the poor, the sick, the homeless. Now then they feed. You supposed rush go bring food for me. A sign of charity. They do. I don't understand.
Caro, don't make me repeat myself again. Go back to your duty post. The gates!
Your sister, they never go change that for anything. You no go believe I'm. You will be Reverend sister. You can't disappoint me anyhow, but it is where it is what.
Caroline!
Eh?
Move it.
I'm moving already. The movement, the notice for. Notice.
Is this girl normal? Like, is she okay?